The PlayStation Portal, Design and Hardware. The PlayStation Portal is essentially a PS5 DualSense controller split in two with an 8-inch LCD touchscreen in the center. It offers 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second, providing smooth visuals, though it lacks HDR support. The screen is bright and color accurate, making it suitable for gaming. The ergonomics of the device are excellent, offering comfort for extended play sessions. Performance. The Portal relies entirely on PS Remote Play, meaning it streams games directly from your PS5 over Wi-Fi. In ideal conditions, it delivers a seamless gaming experience with minimal latency. The performance drops significantly on unstable connections, with issues like lag and pixelation. Battery life. Battery performance is similar to devices like the Nintendo Switch OLED, lasting about 5 to 6 hours, depending on usage. Charging is relatively fast via USB-C, taking roughly an hour to reach full capacity. Audio. The device features decent built-in stereo speakers and supports official PlayStation Bluetooth headphones. Overall, the PlayStation Portal is a well-built device with impressive ergonomics and solid performance under ideal conditions. Its limitations in streaming, audio compatibility, and lack of onboard storage make it best suited for dedicated PlayStation fans with specific use cases. For general portable gaming, more versatile alternatives might be preferable. Thank you so much.